Ready?
France
France.
and Colombia
Oh.
in Latin America.
I speak Spanish.
What was the most memorable
Question?
destination
Do you
tourist
not
spot
speak
during your
Spanish?
time?
No communication.
Only in Jakarta.
Translator?
Only in Jakarta.
Translator? Translator.
What made you interest
Uh,
in visiting this country?
Because I had a meeting, international meeting for my job. So I was here last week. It was professional, it was a job meeting
Oh, job meeting.
in Jakarta with a lot of people of every country.
What your favorite food in Indonesia?
I like caburet. I don't know
Hoy.
the word. I don't remember. Rice, spice rice.
Rice.
What is the biggest possibility difference you
Well, right.
feel better
Yeah.
life in this country and in your home country?
I think it's very peaceful here
Peaceful.
because in my country is not very
First time. Baru first time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss. Can take a picture? Nanti apa ini ya? Okay.